Hey Josh, my name is George. So the point of this video is going to show you how your online presence can increase revenue of your business and how you can potentially use a website. So if you look at your Facebook page here, obviously there's no question, there's no doubt about it that you know exactly what you're doing. But I'm not sure if you've ever tried Facebook ads or if you've been doing social media for long in general. But the thing is, you necessarily have to target a type of person versus being put straight in front of people who are looking for your service like you would on Google. So that's really what I want to cover today, and I want to show you the potential of how much actual impact you can make if you did something like create a website and optimize it for Google. So the first thing I want to show you is I have a tool right here, it's called Ahrefs. It's picking up a good amount of search volume per month for the service you're offering. So flooring companies, San Antonio gets about 200 searches. If you rearrange it, it's another 200 searches, a little more harder to rank for, but still. Flooring companies in San Antonio, Texas, it drops down, but there's a combined, there's probably about 500 different searches here a month. Flooring installation San Antonio is getting searched about 250 times a month. So this is only what my tool is picking up. I'm using Ahrefs. This is a pretty accurate tool, but it does not include generic searches like if someone's looking up just flooring installer near me. So there's a lot more potential for growth. So whenever someone looks up something like this, these are the first guys that pop up. And I want to show you how they're able to get a lot of traffic using a website and why it may be beneficial for you to create a website yourself. So 3 things I'm going to cover in this video are going to be content, backlinks, and citations. And then I want to show you the opportunity for taking these steps, building this website, and then how it'll grow your business. So first thing's content. Google typically likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words depending on competition and number of keywords needed. A keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or a product. In your content, you strategically place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what you want your website to be found for. For example, if we make you a website, it would be flooring installation San Antonio, flooring company San Antonio. We would strategically place these in here so Google can tell the consumers that you exist, your potential clients. So these guys are ranking first, so I want to see why they're ranking first. So when you look up SA Flooring Perfections, that's their name, but they also have San Antonio, Texas Flooring Expert. So you can see how they're kind of including these words already. As I scroll down, Flooring Experts, they have links. They got some videos, that's always good. Here we go again. Premier Flooring Contractor. See, this is a example of a keyword. They're mentioning San Antonio, Texas. They want to be relevant to that. Flooring store, flooring showroom. They mentioned San Antonio, Bulverde family business. Scroll down, flooring perfections, invasive installations, convenient installations. I can keep going, but effectively you get the gist of what they're trying to do. They include services, keywords that they want to rank for, location that they want to rank in, and that's how they do it. As you can see down here, vinyl floor installation, laminate floor, tile, hardwood, backsplash, tub surround, remodeling. So you can rank for various terms. It doesn't even have to just be flooring. So this is the guy that ranks second, Mr. Flooring and Remodeling. So you can see right off the bat they have San Antonio's best rated flooring team, flooring store installation, flooring and remodeling here in San Antonio based company. San Antonio flooring install expert service, essays. They have some different types of flooring here, why us. They have some things that they're kind of comparing it to the guys who rank number 1, but you can tell that they have a they have low content when you compare it to the first guy. Next thing I want to talk about is backlinks. So a backlink is anywhere you find one website linked to another via clickable hyperlink text. These links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. So it's like a popularity contest where the guy with the most links wins. And it's worth noting that you don't want to get any link, you want to get links that are relevant to your industry and local to your area. So with that being said, these guys have 1,200 backlinks coming from 155 domains. And this is the first guy that pops up. Second guy that pops up has 79 coming from 22. So you can see why the first guy is winning. And that is giving them, and this is only what my tool's picking up. I'm sure it's like way more, but 186 people go into their site a month, 212 go into their site every month. They must be ranking for some different keywords, but effectively they're probably getting a majority of the traffic in San Antonio. The next thing I want to talk about is the map listing, because the map listings is super important too. So a citation is really what's going to help you rank in the maps, but a citation is anywhere your business name, number, address are shown exactly as per your Google Business Profile. So citations are listings in directories such as Yelp, BBB, Angie's, Expertise, hundreds of others you've probably heard of. Social media accounts work good too. So the idea is your brand begins to be found by Google all over the place, and once Google starts to see you more than your competitors, the more likely it is to rank you above them. And it's super important to try and rank in the maps, because the maps actually get 30 to 40% of the search. And once you get your content, backlinks, and citations all coming together, you can start to outgrow your competitors. And I've kind of showed you a little bit of the keyword research, but here's the potential. Here's what you might be looking at. Here is about 450 at a minimum. 450, let's just say worst case scenario at 250, 700 people looking a month. By building a website, you could potentially generate this kind of traffic to your website or map listing. Let's say conversion rate of that 700 is only 10%. That would be 70 people calling out to you. And if you're only able to close 50%, that's an extra 35 jobs a month, which is actually pretty common in your industry. So that would be, there's a lot of potential, and you can see what your competitors are doing just from their online presence alone. I'm not sure what your margins are, but I'd imagine an extra 35 closed jobs a month would generate some pretty decent revenue. Also, there's always many more keywords you can use to generate more and more traffic and leads. So this is what I do for a living. I'm creating this video just to help you start generating leads online. If you do find yourself wanting more and you want to continue scaling as far as you want, reach out to me. I can help with some more information. We can talk about your goals. I can do some research to find out what would be realistic for you guys and what it might take to reach those goals. Again, my name is George. Feel free to reach out to me whenever. My door is always open. Thanks for watching. I really hope this helps. Have a great day.